Are you interested in ranking your released high on web browsers with the right set of keywords? Meet Keyword Revealer, a tool for conducting research that allows users to pull potential keywords based on a seed topic or word. Let us see what this great software is all about and discover a great deal for you and your business. You can analyze each possible keyword in light of various factors, including trends, the difficulty scores, average figures in SERPS, and more. In addition, you can use it to generate ideas for longer-tail keywords that are more effective and check the rankings of your keywords on Google. Keyword research enables users to search for lucrative keywords related to their niche and provides information on the number of times those keywords are searched for, the level of competition for those keywords, and the potential profitability of those keywords. The tool determines a keyword difficulty score, which estimates how challenging it will be to achieve a particular ranking for a given keyword. This score considers several factors, including the prevalence of competitors and the caliber of the content they produce, among others. You can track your website's rankings over time for specific keywords by using Keyword Revealer. This provides insights into the effectiveness of their SEO efforts and identifies areas in which they can improve. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Rank your website or blog at the top of using the right keywords with Keyword Revealer. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.